back to CNC Equipment's YouTube channel. We've got some excavator stuff for you today. So first thing on the books, we're going to put a thumb on this John Deere 210G here. We just got this in. This is a Strickland thumb. This is a stiff thumb, so it has no hydraulic cylinder on it. We sold the machine and the customer wanted a thumb on it. I bought this machine back a month or two ago. It's got Strickland brackets on it, so we reached out to Strickland. I believe we got it from our local John Deere dealer because we're not a dealer for Strickland stuff. So we're hoping it all goes good and bolts on without any issues. So you can see the brackets are already on the boom. Nothing ever goes easy, so we're hoping it is, but it should just be a bolt-in deal. We'll fire this thing up and see what happens. Just like that. Alright, we'll get this thing over at the shop and see what we got. Think it's gonna fit on there?
I don't know.
Jay ordered it, so it'll fit, right?
Yeah.
That sounds heavy. Look how cold it is out here. It's frozen. We got this nice warm shop inside. I pretty much screwed us when I decided to work on it outside because you know it's gonna go wrong, right?
Oh. Not one of them there easy peasy lemon squeezies.
We got bushing and a couple pins. Split bushing. That's got a handle on. I'm guessing it probably goes in these holes to change the angle, the bedangle. Look at you go.
Still clean up.
You need to clean up on all three.
God dang it, Mason. There. Oh, yeah.
That's good, he said. Oh, you got this big ass nose.
Not letting me stick a finger in there. And what? Stick a finger in there and clear it around. Need to put that on there.
You put the strap right now?
Okay, ma'am. Stays with it. Part of the purchase price.
Have to write this $1,000.
That still won't cover the cost. Yeah, start going.
seen this pin?
What's that?
I never seen the keeper for this, did we?
No, I did not.
Well, it all fit like a glove. So you can store this, fold it all the way up and pin it there so it folds up out of the way. I guess we'll get a 5/8 bolt and put it in there, Kevin, and lock nut.
Okay.
We'll stick the bucket back on it, we'll be done.
I'm pretty sure somebody put a 9/16 bolt.
Who would do that? Somebody put the wrong nut in the drawer.
I was almost defeated there.
He almost got you. All right, we're gonna clean stuff up. What's this pin for, Bubby? I got extra credit for today.
I don't know what that is.
Did we do our job good?
Yeah.
It's an extra one of these pins, ain't it?
Yeah.
We'll put it in the cab like we did our job right. Whenever you have stuff left over, you know you did it right.
Let them question what it is.
We could probably use that pin too. I don't know. We'll give it to them. All right, we're ready to hook the bucket up.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep, that'll work.
All right, that went surprisingly well for a Monday morning here. I know you guys don't know what day it is, but all is on there and good, ready for the customer. I believe he's going to finish paying us, and we're going to ship this dude out. So this is kind of a little quick extra bonus video for you guys. Sometimes I do it on Sunday for you guys. So we always have a regular video on Tuesdays and Fridays, but this is something a little different and short. And if you guys like seeing this little extra video, let me know down below in the comments. So we do this kind of stuff all the time. I usually don't film it just because it's quick. Sometimes you get into more stuff and you never know. So we've got another video coming on this thing next. It's gonna require quite a bit of work up here, so stay tuned.